Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. I've got a westbound CP train here at about 4 o'clock. Well, actually it's not. It's 3:30 p.m. Probably 142. Sorry, 143. Double stack headed through Pine Beach as I'm waiting for my train. This is just ahead of the commuter train at 3:37. Yeah. On the 22nd of July, 2022. So I'm headed out to that city, Bellevue Park. And yeah, this came just ahead of my train. Sort of hoping it was on the other track though. Here you can see a shelter that's been torn apart by the wind apparently. They haven't replaced it yet. Way to go. Typical of EXO. That's the end of the train right there. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day. Yeah, and check this out. Here's the shelter. What they did is they just tore everything off of it. Apparently the roof and everything else just collapsed in a windstorm like 2 or 3 weeks ago. So yeah, thanks EXO. Hope you're really going to get on fixing that up. I wonder how many more of these shelters are going to fall apart. See, here's what it's supposed to look like. Oh yeah, and I thank you so much, EXO, for putting my train on K1 when before it was telling me to come to K2. I was just over there. Now I got to cross back. Thanks.